Hello, artists. I'm Jock, and today we're going to draw something like this, or this, by using simple shapes like squares, ovals, circles, rectangles, and triangles. I'm going to show you the basics, then you can make yours however you like. The important thing is to have fun. Let's grab a piece of paper like this. And remember, don't draw on furniture or walls. Always draw on paper. Now pick out something to draw with. I'm going to use a marker and some crayons to color it. But you can use a pen, pencil, paintbrush, markers, or even your fingers. Use whatever you like. Are we ready to draw? Today we're going to draw two different flowers. But there are more flower designs at the end of this video. For the first flower, let's draw a circle on your paper, like this. Good job! Now let's draw the stem of the flower by drawing a skinny rectangle attached to the circle, like this. Awesome! Next, let's draw an oval attached to the circle, like this. Now keep drawing ovals until you go all the way around the circle, like this. Wow, that looks like a flower, but we are missing some leaves on the stem. Let's draw two ovals attached to the skinny rectangle, one on each side, like this. Great job! The last step to this flower is to draw a line on each of the ovals or leaves we just drew, like this. Remember, you can draw your flower however you like. Maybe you want to use squares instead of ovals, or even triangles. Draw your flower the way you want. There's no wrong way to draw your flower. Okay. Let's draw flower number 2. We'll start by drawing a big oval on your paper, like this. Easy enough, right? As you know, every flower has a stem. Let's draw another skinny rectangle attached to the oval, like we did with the first flower. You're doing great. Okay, let's draw a circle or an oval inside the big oval, like this. Looking good. Now let's draw a smaller circle inside the circle we just drew, like this. Nice. Next, let's draw another smaller circle inside the new circle we just drew, like this. Great job. Now let's draw one last circle inside the circle we just drew, like this. Wow, that's a lot of circles, but you did great. Let's add some leaves or ovals attached to the skinny rectangle, like this. Awesome! Now draw a line on each leaf for veins, like this. Wow, that looks fantastic. Remember to draw your flowers however you like and have fun. Speaking of fun, the last step is to color our flowers. Color your flowers any color you want. If you want blue and orange petals, or maybe purple stem and red leaves, go ahead and do it. It's your flower. Wow, your flowers look amazing. Now it's time to show your parents and friends. Your parents can post your drawing on our Facebook page. And in our next video, we'll show some of our favorites. That's it for today's drawing lesson. We have more episodes coming where we'll draw an octopus, flowers, spaceships, and more cool things. Stop back and draw with me, Jock.